What family law services does Paul Mirabelli offer? Our family law services encompass various legal matters, ensuring you have a single, trusted source for all your family's legal needs. With our divorce lawyer by your side, divorce becomes a manageable process, allowing you to focus on rebuilding your life. When it comes to looking after your children's welfare, we can help you understand New Jersey child custody and child support guidelines and ensure a fair outcome that benefits your children. Furthermore, if you or someone you care about is going through domestic violence, we can help you get a restraining order, keep you safe, and take legal steps against the person causing harm. If you are facing family law issues in New Jersey, you do not have to handle them on your own. No matter what your family law needs may be, Paul Mirabelli can help you through them and the next ones. For all family legal troubles or difficulties, reach out at www.paulmirabellilaw.com to schedule a free consultation.